Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is the art of using all those gossips, stories, and events about a country's economy to make a decision whether that country's currency is even worth buying or not worth buying, which means it's worth selling. A lot of those boring economic news that you hear on the radio or TV actually do have a purpose. Yeah, I couldn't believe that either. They are trying to help you get a glimpse of the fundamentals. Fundamental analysis is the way of looking at the market by analyzing the economic, social, and political forces that affect the supply and demand of the currency. Forex traders and Forex divas who strongly believe in the fundamentals buy and sell currencies with the hope of making profit by listening to the market news or marking the economic events that take place around the world. Currencies, just like anything else that can be bought or sold, are subject to the laws of supply and demand. When a lot of people want a particular currency, the cost of the currency in terms of the other currency will go up. This law also applies to shopping, dating, and relationships. The more desirable a brand is, the higher the price. More demand makes it more expensive. Think Gucci, yay! And Louis Vuitton, whee! Or gas prices during a hurricane. Oh, crap. When demand decreases or people do not want to hold on to a country's currency, the value will go down. In this case, a Forex diva is just like someone who's deciding who to say yes to, to be wedded. The demand for popular guys is much higher. Why is that? What does a woman look for in an ideal catch? If we put chemistry and having things in common aside, a woman tends to analyze a guy's profile from different aspects. She would listen to all the gossips about him before she makes a final decision. She would hunt down his Facebook and LinkedIn and read all his tweets back to 2005, if Twitter even existed back then. She wants to know if he's financially stable. She wants to know if he's honest, if he isn't going to put her in a political turmoil, if he doesn't pick his nose in public or in Facebook pictures, if he's protective, if he's going to be a good father, if he secretly doesn't enjoy having sex with dogs, if he pays his bills on time, if he brushes his teeth, if he has a bright future. A Forex diva analyzes her prospect from different aspects before she says yes. Oh my god, yes! Yes! A Forex diva will do the same before she puts an order on a specific currency pair in the Forex market. In other words, when you are at a Forex party, you have to look at different factors to determine which country's economy is a good catch, who is a keeper, and whose economy sucks. You have to understand the reasons of why and how certain events like an increase in unemployment affects a country's economy and ultimately the level of demand for the currency. Even if its currency situation is reasonable, you still want to analyze where its economy is going in the future. Where is this going? If a country's current or future economic outlook is good, their currency is probably going to strengthen. When a man seems to be a good partner for now and a good father in future, women won't leave him alone. Just like that, the better shape a country's economy, the more foreign businesses and investors will invest in that country, which will ultimately lead to a higher currency value. And that means you probably want to buy that sucker. Things that make a country's currency unpopular: rise in unemployment, fall in GDP, gross domestic product, fall in exports, fall in interest rates, geopolitical tensions, natural disasters, threat of terrorism. Things that make a country's currency popular: more jobs, rise in GDP, rise in exports, rise in interest rates, super stable political system, discovery of gigantic oil or mineral resources. You will learn more deeply about fundamental analysis after you have graduated the basic coffee beans and moved on to the fundamental beans. So keep on taking Forex coffee during your coffee breaks, or tea breaks for that matter.